Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to XIAOMI Pad 7 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options on both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. And allow. Now choose whatever you want to in the pop-up and click on your device's displays. Then select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of XIAOMI. Also on an Android, use all of those categories at the top to pick all of your files you wish to send. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in the pop-up and select one of those connection ways. You can scan this QR code by clicking on the scanning icon above User Guide, closing an ad and allowing camera access. You can also input this key over here into Input Key section and hit Receive button in order to connect. Wherever you decided, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!